There is a big family in Ramos Mejia. All of them love cookies. Their mother makes the cookies, but their grandma always makes the best ones. The mother makes cookies for one of her daughters, Victoria, and one of her sons, Sam. They come back from the school. Hello, mother.
Hi, good morning. How are you today?
Fine, mother. We are hungry.
Right. There are 6 cookies for Victoria and 6 for Sam.
Great. We love cookies, but the best ones are grandma's ones. The doorbell rings. They are her other children, Hannah and Tom. They want cookies.
Good morning. Are you well today?
Hello, we are fine. And you?
I'm fine too. Look, there are 3 cookies for Hannah, 3 for Tom, 3 for Victoria, and 3 for Sam.
Thank you very much, mother. We love cookies, but grandma's ones are the best. The doorbell rings. They are their Uncle Peter and their Aunt Violet. They like cookies too.
Hi children, come in.
Alright, thanks.
There are 2 cookies for each of you.
Thank you very much. We love cookies, but the best ones are grandma's. The doorbell rings. This time there are 6 children. They are mother's nephews.
Hi kids, how are you?
Very fine. And you?
Me too. Do you like cookies?
Yes, we do.
There is 1 cookie for each of you.
That is great. We love cookies, but the best are grandma's cookies. Finally, the doorbell rings again. And then the children shout, "Oh, there are no more cookies to share." Mother opens the door and it is Grandma.
Relax, children. There are more cookies for all of you.
Yes, we love cookies and you make the best ones. We love you, Grandma.